Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about radicchio, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with radicchio. So if you just bought some, you're not sure what to do with it, or you're looking for some new meal or recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have bacon, beans in general, but especially cannellini beans or other white beans, beef, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, hazelnuts, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, sausage, seafood of any type, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that are known to pair well with radicchio includes arugula, beets, cabbage, carrots, celery root, chives, endive, escarole, fennel, greens of all types, lettuce, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, radishes, shallots, spinach, squash, especially winter squash, tomatoes, and watercress. In the fruits category, apples, figs, fruit in general, including dried fruit, grapefruit, lemon, lime, mangoes, olives, oranges, and pears. In the grains and grain products category, there's breadcrumbs, grains in general, pasta, polenta, rice, and wild rice. In the dairy and non-dairy category, we're talking about butter and cheese, particularly Asiago, blue cheese, gorgonzola, Roquefort, feta, fontina, goat, Gruyere, mozzarella, parmesan, pecorino, and ricotta cheeses, and also sour cream. In the other foods category, there's honey, mustard as in prepared mustard, oil such as corn oil, hazelnut, nut oil in general, olive oil, peanut oil, pumpkin seed oil, and walnut oil. And then there's soy sauce, stock, tamari, vinegar, particularly balsamic, cider, fruit vinegar, red wine vinegar, or sherry vinegar. Then there's wine, especially dry white wine, and Worcestershire sauce. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.